Is it time to buy or sell Dutch Bros stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Dutch Bros. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 29th of July, 2025, our system has identified Dutch Bros as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.97. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of -0.89%. This equates to an average loss of -0.13% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are anticipated. The latest 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 15.37% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from -17.77% to -7.02%. When we examine the longer-term outlook, our analysis over the span of 12 months suggests a projected change of 65.43%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary between 63.76% and 200.16% over the coming year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $94.64 and $173.46. Our latest daily update for Dutch Bros includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for Dutch Bros Incorporated. The Dutch Bros Incorporated stock price gained approximately 0.592% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025. The stock rose from $57.45 to $57.79. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.67%, with a low of $57.24 and a high of $58.77. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 7.99% during this period. Notably, the trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 4 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 7 million shares exchanged hands for approximately $394,510,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $86.88, while the lowest price was $26.96. Currently, the price stands at 33.48%, or $29.09 below the 52-week high of $86.88, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Dutch Bros Incorporated has made headlines today following the release of its second quarter earnings report. The company showcased strong growth metrics, further fueled by its targeted strategy of attracting younger customers through innovative products and a robust loyalty program. In an environment where quick-service beverage brands are battling for market share, Dutch Bros continues to stand out with its drive-through model and focus on popular beverage trends, such as cold drinks and energy options. Analysts have responded positively, with some initiating coverage with a buy rating and projecting a fair value significantly above current trading levels. This sentiment is likely to bolster investor confidence in the short term, contributing to a rally in the stock price after the earnings announcement. In the long run, Dutch Bros gains buy on its earnings report. Ability to navigate challenges like rising tariffs on Brazilian coffee and potential minimum wage increases will be critical. Investors are eager to see how the company implements its growth strategies while managing costs effectively. This blend of strategic execution and market responsiveness positions Dutch Bros as a compelling candidate for both growth and value-focused investors alike, potentially driving sustained upward momentum in its stock price. Analyst ratings on Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned BROS a neutral grade with an initiate action, On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned BROS an outperform grade with an initiate action. On Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned BROS a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 14th of April, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned BROS an overweight grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 11th of November, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned BROS a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Dutch Bros stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as sell. The following signals have been identified for Dutch Bros. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, and so far it has risen 1.9%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may influence near-term developments. The stock of Dutch Bros Inc. holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $58.30 and $63.93. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger suggested a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also pointed to a buy signal 31 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 38 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 11 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Dutch Bros. Dutch Bros Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $57.45. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.53 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.67%. During the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.66%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Dutch Bros, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 18 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Dutch Bros. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Dutch Bros is at $64.45. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportune level for swing trading. On the downside, Dutch Bros encounters its first support level at $57.45. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Dutch Bros from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Tana Davila, who bought and sold 29,151 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -40.033. Overall, insiders have purchased 3,545,477 shares and sold 8,531,664 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been established. Is Dutch Bros stock a good buy? Dutch Bros Inc. is currently displaying several negative signals and is within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that its performance will continue to be weak over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon examining the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 7th of August, we expect Dutch Bros to open higher by approximately 14 cents, starting at $57.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.